My name is Stephanie McCoy. I own Gator Sports Bar and Grill in historic Melrose, Florida. We've been here for 15 years now. We're a sports bar and grill, very family oriented. We have a live baby alligator tank. We serve everything from gator tail, frog legs, redfish, grouper, shrimp, Phillies, hand-patted hamburgers. I just came in as a front house manager and then took over the back of the house and then ended up buying the business. I never had a restaurant before, but I thought I could do it. 15 years later, and I've been able to buy the property and buy a liquor license. And so now we serve liquor and expanded to have outdoor venue. I just felt that there was a need here in Melrose for a place that families could gather and bring their children. It doesn't matter if you were 3 years old or 83 years old, that you could feel comfortable with going to a place and be able to afford to go to that place. Being from this community, I went to elementary school here, middle school, high school. I've lived here my whole entire life. I was born in Gainesville. It really makes me feel good to be part of a community that everyone knows everyone and that I can help people. So talking about expanding with the property, I mean, we've had the restaurant for 15 years and it's been exciting. With the liquor license, we're just expecting to do more. Property is very large. We have a great entertainment area in the back that holds a lot of people. We've been able to have amazing bands back there, and that's just going to continue to book. With table and seating and food has become such a wonderful area for everyone to come. They just so much enjoy it. We also have the upstairs venue that we'll be doing in the future, which would be a 21 and up bar, speakeasy. Looking at your numbers, like you said, you've got to look at your numbers. People don't understand. They're like, oh, I can sell spaghetti for this, I can buy for this, but they don't understand. The overhead of a restaurant of this kind of magnitude is very important that you understand that. And I didn't understand that until working with you. A very good friend of mine told me about Mr. Chung. He was wonderful with her and helping her with her business. And I was looking to find a way that as a small person from Melrose that I could buy this property as it came up for sale. And I didn't know how to do it. And I called Mr. Chung and we met up and he was absolutely wonderful. I came at him with a whole bunch of papers and he showed me step by step of how I could put my things together in order so I was able to buy this property, and it changed my life. Mr. Chung has helped me with financing, accounting, how to speak with my banker, how to apply for a loan, how to work a spreadsheet, how to understand my numbers, how to understand my profit margins. That's very important in a restaurant because we have very small profit margins. You have to be very careful. It can be very complicated. It's not just writing a check for rent. That was a process I did not know anything about. I've never owned a piece of property like this before. Mr. Chung explained that to me. Mr. Chung has been wonderful. Anytime I have any questions about anything, concerned, confused, I can always call him and ask him. If it wasn't for Mr. Chung's help in the SBA, I wouldn't have been able to do this. He was very patient with me and I appreciate that very much. He's taught me a lot, and that's the reason why I've been able to be successful. SBDC and Mr. Chung at no cost has helped me tremendously. Everything in a business costs a lot. Everything we do is about cost. And to be able to have that cost lifted off of you is amazing. It makes you feel good and comfortable about asking questions.